I'm on my way to the bank, but here's the renovation plan they were planning, which is why they relocate the bus stops. If you guys looked up on MTA.info, you would see the renovation plan, which is why they relocated those bus stops. B6 over there, B80, B42 is over there. Ooh. You see, after showing you the relocated bus stops, this is the construction they were working on now. To enhance for the accessibility of it. That's what I'm talking about. Read this. Excuse me. I'm sorry, girl. Yep, I got my cool latte, all new from Dunkin' Donuts. So right now, the B82 runs on the same expectation, while the B6, many of them crowd up the terminal. So it's all right. Yeah, I just got off the 82 Select now. And so I want to say that thank you all for watching. And so all of this renovation has started on May 13th, which was 2 days before my birthday. And so I hope y'all are aware of that. And so to check on it, for those who aren't aware, check those on the website. Check in the link in the description for the enhancement. Have a great day.